같아. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, 한여름 속에 크리스마스 같아.
Good morning, you guys. So we've been waiting for our sister to get done with her the dentist appointment. We've been chilling, and this is probably a really fancy dentist facility. That's the word. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like these are probably the nicest lobby chairs for a dentist building. I mean, we're chilling on black leather seats, and there's a TV in the back if you wanted to watch football. Oh. We left the dentist appointment. Now before I was rudely interrupted, we're in the hospital again. So we'll see where we go from here. So we finally left the hospital. We're about to get something to eat because I'm hungry. Yesterday we had a major earthquake, so Walmart is pretty packed right now. The ceiling fell apart. So yeah, we've been hit really hard yesterday. So here's some video clips and pictures from yesterday morning. We saw your best friend. Teresa. Don't follow. Cause you're only gonna follow cause she's in there. Tricks swear they're twins.
You are.
Ugly.
Yeah, everyone thinks that we're twins when our hair's the same.
We're fraternal twins.
Yeah. But I'm the cuter one.
Any comments? Any comments? Come back. Come back. No, okay. Yo, people here in Anchorage, Alaska, they're making it seem like it's the last of the days here.
Oh, for real, like the world's about to end.
But it's just because there's a lot of new people that haven't been here more than 12 years, and they're not used to the earthquake. So they're just yeah. This is like, or they just moved here and they're freaking out. We've been here for a long time. We've been residents for about 20-something years. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. All I want for Christmas. Did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, it's crazy. So I know the video is going to be super short, so I'm just going to end the vlogging here. New update for Anchorage, Alaska. It's raining like crazy. The winds are blowing my car like crazy, and we're still getting hit with aftershocks. But I hope you guys like this short vlog. Sorry it wasn't as what we planned it to be. We actually had more things to do today, but we had to push it to the side because my nephew came first before all of our guilty pleasures and whatnot. But
Stop kicking me.
see you guys later. Bye.
믿어줄래 두려울 필요 없으니 그는 속에서 나를 찾고 싶어 바라봐줘 그래 그렇게 Give me now